I absolutely love using this big monitor whenever I'm working with multiple windows and at my house, except as soon as I leave my house, it's gone. Well, nobody takes the monitor, but I don't have it with me anymore. Anyways, you get the point. However, Apple has a very clever solution for people just like me, except the problem is that not that many people seem to know about it. Do you know what Apple Sidecar is?
No? Wait, what's that?
No.
Apple Sidecar?
Yeah, like on your iPad.
No, I don't.
I do not.
I do not.
I don't.
But I know, and I want to share it with all of you. Now, imagine you have a second monitor with you wherever you go. As long as your iPad and Mac are linked under the same Apple ID and the software is updated, a button will pop up under your screen mirroring settings. Clicking that can extend your Mac's display directly over to your iPad for whatever you want, whether helpful or not. Hey, that rhymes. Just like an external display, there's options in the settings to arrange where the iPad is in relation to your other monitors. Plus, there's also some other cool features that utilize the touchscreen capabilities. If you're willing to give up some of the extra screen space, you can show the sidebar and/or the touch bar for extra functionality. Personally, I almost always have zero use for these though, since my keyboard and mouse are almost always closer to me than reaching over to tap the screen. But something else cool that I discovered while filming this video is that the Apple Pencil can also double as a cursor to your Mac. This is probably the closest we'll ever come to a touchscreen on a Mac. Actually, now that I think about it, I remember a while back seeing a video where somebody used their iPad to run a remote desktop software of their Mac. If you aren't already following Sam Nam on YouTube, definitely take a look at his videos sometime. He's got some great videos, especially around the iPads. Now, one last thing I almost forgot to mention is that you also have the option to mirror your main display if you don't want to extend it. That way you can see the same content on multiple screens. As fun as Apple Sidecar can be, there are two downsides I've experienced, and only one of them has a fix so far. The first one is the lag when using it wirelessly. I'll find myself sometimes using my main display for a while, and when I come back to the iPad, it's no longer responsive to my mouse moving over there, and the whole screen is frozen. I don't know why this keeps happening when my iPad is literally centimeters away from my Mac. But the easiest fix for that issue is to get a USB-C to C cable that can plug directly into both devices and stop any lag that might occur. The other benefit is that it can provide power to the iPad as well, but just bear in mind that that's going to drain the power of the MacBook that's connected to. Now, the other downside is a small one, but it's still worth talking about if you like movies. If you've ever wanted to watch your favorite show on Netflix, Amazon Prime, or whatever big streaming service you like while working on your iPad, you can't. Now, I know it's for copyright reasons and all that legal stuff, blah blah blah, but it would still be nice if there was a way to do it. Alright, now Apple, I've got the solution for you right here. You don't even need to pay me. Maybe just give me some credits, but here's how you do it. All you would have to do is to disable the screen recording when a content streaming service is open. So if you have Max open or Disney Plus or whatever it is, then you just disable screen recording and then you're good. Then I can watch full screen pickleball while I'm writing my script. Or maybe there's some other reason why this doesn't work and I'm just wrong. Despite those annoyances, I still use Sidecar multiple times per week, and I'm always surprised to still hear people that don't know about it or aren't using it. If you know somebody who has an iPad and a Mac, share this video with them now that you know about it. And please give this video a like as well if you found it helpful, and consider subscribing to more tech content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time on Tech Device News.